President Marcos Jr. is stepping up relief efforts for millions of Filipinos amid soaring prices of commodities. A clear signal of the president's push for targeted help during tough times. The president aims to champion these accomplishments in his fifth State of the Nation address. IBC correspondent Ezra Abad has the story.
Because of his old age, taxi driver Rogelio admits he can no longer find another way to earn a living other than driving his taxi, which is why government assistance is crucial for him and his family to continue operating his public transport vehicle amid soaring fuel prices.
Kumita lang ako 100 o 200. Kung wala yung subsidy na yan, wala. Edad ko na 80 na. Kaya hindi ko na kaya na lumipat sa ibang kumpanya.
In response to this kind of grievances, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. established the Uplift Program under the declared national energy emergency through Executive Order No. 110. The Uplift Program is led by the President and composed of key agencies focused on creating and implementing programs for vulnerable sectors affected by the energy crisis.
Isa lamang ang aming pamantayan, agaran, pinakamabilis at direktang mararamdaman ng ordinaryong Pilipino. Hindi bukas, hindi sa susunod na linggo, ngayon.
The DSWD also distributed 5,000 pesos cash aid to those in the public transportation sector under the IX program. The service contracting program was likewise implemented for PUVs, along with a 50% discount at MRT3 and LRT2 and the deployment of free rides. The president further expanded the Uplift program, granting an additional 2,000 pesos cash aid from the DSWD to 3.5 million beneficiaries of the Pantawid Pamilyang Pilipino program or 4Ps and the Walang Gutom program.
Layunin ng Uplift Assistance na mapangalagaan ang kakayahan ng mga pamilyang Pilipino na matustusan ang kanilang pang-araw-araw na pangangailangan. Kasabay nito, pinalawak natin ang saklaw na tulong upang mas maraming Pilipino ang makinabang sa programa.
The Uplift program is one of the initiatives the president is expected to highlight in his fifth State of the Nation address this Monday. Ezra Abad, IBC News.